Hello everyone, this is David Lewis with your tip of the week. Today I want to talk to you about self-improvement. How much time do you really spend each week trying to sharpen your skills? How much time have you spent in the past 6 months, or how about the past 12 months trying to improve yourself? Most people don't work on their skill set all that often. This contributes heavily, in my view, as to why so many salespeople only sell 8 to 10 cars per month. So here's an idea that I think will help you establish a daily habit of practice and accountability because it involves partnering with another colleague. Approach one of the other salespeople you have a relationship with, and each of you spend the next week or so and come up with about 25 product knowledge questions each and answers about the cars you sell. Once you both have all your questions, throw them all in 2 separate baskets. Each day, you'll both pull a question out of your basket, and your colleague has to try to answer the question. And then they pull a question out of their basket, and you have to try to answer that question. Make it fun and keep a scorecard for each month. The one who gets the most answers correct has to buy the other person lunch. It's a great way to have some fun while learning product knowledge and to hold yourself accountable on a daily basis. Try it. You might just have some fun and learn something. Good luck. And please, be safe.
Try DLA Online and DLA Live to discover why the top automotive professionals already have. For more information, visit our website at www.davidlewis.com or call us at 321-435-6000.